Did I lose my mind during the most recent Telfar sale? I probably did. The thing is, I was very excited about the launch, and for that, let's do an unboxing of my purchase during the Telfar Jacquard sale. The canvas bag with the zippers, yes, those. Let's go ahead and jump into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is OHEMAA. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. So Telfar did a new launch, and it's essentially something that they hadn't actually done before. They launched monogram bags. I have a few Telfars. I feel like in every room in this house you're gonna find at least one Telfar sitting there ready to go. Some people don't like the shopping bags. I don't mind the medium-sized ones, but let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. I still haven't gotten gloss and my lips are chapped. Okay, first things first, I bought a belt, and the belt comes in a gorgeous black box with Telfar written on it. It was established in 2005. The belt comes with a dust bag. I accidentally picked the belt size medium large, and the very last button on here is a little loose for me, so I sent them a message. I'm gonna purchase a extra small, and then I will give this back to them. But this is what the belt looks like. I don't want to open this because I'm not going to use it. I'm returning it, but it comes with a silver buckle. And this is what the monogram looks like. This is a brown belt. I really like what it looks like. A girl can use it, a boy can use it, and I am here for it. Okay. So this is what it is. I wanted a large brown one. I wanted a medium brown one. And then I thought, I don't have any small brown bags, so let me get a small brown bag. And then I thought, I don't have a really cute black small bag, so I was like, let me get a small black one. So I bought 4 bags. I say Jacquard, but I know, I'm sure that's not what it is. Ah, it's so cute. Look at it. It is so cute. Ah. It's still not leather, but it's not wide open. Like, I can absolutely get behind this bag. It comes with a detachable strap, so you can hold it like this by itself, which I absolutely love because it doesn't have all the strings just stringing around it. It comes with a brushed metal hardware. Well, it has the vegan leather on certain parts, and of course under it, and the logo. I like this new design. It's definitely something you can wear dressed up or dressed down, and I like it. And I wanted a strap that I can definitely long enough, and you can also adjust the length of it. So I am here for it. Let's look at the black one, because I got one brown and one black one. This is gorgeous. It looks like black and gray. I like this little bag. I don't like the other one with all the straps on it. Let's see what the medium and the large look like. I feel like this one is slightly bigger than this one. Let me know if I'm tripping. I feel like this new medium size is slightly bigger than the other medium bag. This, I absolutely mess with the detachable long straps because it's not taken away from the bag itself. It's very nice. I really like it. This is going to be something that you can take to work. Look at it. It is gorgeous. I really like this. I'll definitely mess with this. And it comes with the feet on there so that when you put it down, you're not messing up the bottom of it. Does this one come with feet? This one doesn't come with feet. This one is, I feel like this was marketed towards like business people because it is very nice. And the fabric on it is kind of, I want to say satin, but it's not. It's reflective. It catches the light in several different angles, and I really like it. And the color is so cute. I call this the Weekender because it is the bag that you take when you're gonna go spend the night. Okay, it's the bag that you take when you know you're gonna be right back, but you still need a bag big enough to fit everything into. And the reason why I picked up the large, which I generally don't walk around with the large, the reason why I picked up this specific large is because it comes with a zipper. All the bags come with zippers, and that was the specific reason why I picked up these ones. Look how gorgeous it is. You can travel with this. It looks sophisticated. I like it. Very good quality. It looks very well made. looks gorgeous. It reflects the light beautifully. And, you know, you can carry it by itself, you know. It's huge. Of course, like I feel like because of the zipper, it's not going to expand half as wide as the other shopping bags that don't have like long giant zippers in them. The zipper extends all the way out, so you can put it outside or you can put it inside. I'm not upset with my purchase. Now, after I bought it, I thought, oh my God, did I really just buy 4 bags? So that is if I'm showing you guys the new monogram Telfars. This is gonna go up on my new bag shelf. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.